Good afternoon, everybody. This is David Montalongo here on Irvington Street in Terrell Heights in front of one of my projects. And this is a pretty interesting scenario. I wanted to share this with you guys. If you guys are watching this, you guys are familiar with my business of home remodeling. If you know anything about home remodeling, you know it's very involved. You know that there's different levels of home remodeling from you know, very novice to very experienced home remodelers. And so I've been doing this for 25 years. I'm heavily working in this area of Terrell Heights in the 78209 zip code in San Antonio, Texas. This street is nice because we've done 3 projects in a row here. So our first project started 3 houses down. That was for an Army doctor and his wife that were moving in from Washington. And so the wife had seen the home, but the husband had not. And so we prepared it, got it all ready for them, ready for move-in. They loved it when they moved in town, referred their next door neighbor, and their next door neighbor referred their next door neighbor. So we've done 3 projects in a row on this street, and we're really proud of that. And we're just doing more and more projects in this area all the time. So why don't you guys come in and let me take you around, give you a look around the house on the inside. So this house here is a complete interior and exterior remodel. We literally have done everything on the inside of this house. We removed all the sheetrock on the inside of the house. We rewired the house. We replumbed the house. So basically the sewer line and water line, the sewer line coming into the house was in good shape. The water line needed to be replaced. And then once we got inside the house, we replaced all of the interior plumbing. So completely replumbed, rewired, roof work, drywall work on the inside. We insulated the attic, new windows, new exterior hardy siding, refinished the hardwood floors, remodeled 2 bathrooms. In the middle of remodeling this kitchen this is gonna be a nice wood wall feature here. If we walk this way, we'll give you a look at some of the bathroom remodeling that we've done. So you look around in there, new tile floors. Got good new custom cabinets coming in soon. New tile tub surround, new tub faucets. All new windows on the house. So Pella brand windows. Interior doors, just waiting to take delivery on new interior doors. And then underneath this paper, you can see the floors have all been covered up. And underneath of this paper is the original hardwood floors. So we've sanded and refinished the hardwood floors throughout the house to bring it back to life. So again, a complete interior and exterior renovation. This is really typical for our area of expertise. Many times we call for a bathroom remodel or a kitchen remodel. But when we really shine, we go in and we take everything apart and we put it all back together and do it correctly. So some of our services, hope you guys enjoyed the tour. We'll talk to you soon. We did get the shower installed. Nice. So this is the second bathroom of the home that was remodeled. White subway tile, nice gray colored grout. We used the tile Schluter to finish off the trim. Just got to clean it up a little bit and it'll be ready to go. And in this particular shower, we used a small tile on sheets for the grip so that it's skid resistant. And then we like to take that and we like to put it in the back of the niche as well. So we've got a nice oversized shampoo niche. This shampoo niche is 16 inches tall, 24 inches wide. You know, many times you see the small little shampoo niche in between one stud cavity. I like to do mine a little oversized. Put multiple bottles in there and it just looks good. Looks, you know, not just a utility thing, but also something that looks nice. It's a feature of the shower. So this is a typical shower that we like to do. Nice glass enclosure. So hope you liked our tour. As I said, we've actually done 3 projects in a row on this street. Next door, we built additions. We built a studio addition and a flex room addition. This house was completely remodeled. As you can see, new windows, new siding, completely repainted. This is typical of what we do. If you guys are looking for home remodeling services in the San Antonio area, this is our expertise. We've been remodeling for over 25 years in the San Antonio area. Contact us and we'll come out and take a look and we'll work on the design with you.